Like, this is a main road. I've never driven in this bad of conditions. Snow is hitting out here today. Holy crap. We got absolutely dumped on overnight, still getting it hit right now. Lost power a couple minutes ago. Got the bike in here, got the sled we gotta take out, get the door open manually, and we're ready to let it rock. Oh yeah, baby. Time to party, baby. This is the main road. This is our road that is supposed to be like the real road. This is how much snow they just gave up, I think. It is insane. And we have the trailer hooked on the back, so this ought to be easy. Like, this is a main road, dude. There's just, they haven't even plowed it. It's just the tracks from like, who came through here last? Look at these pine trees, they're gonna hit the roof. Oh my gosh. I've never driven in this bad of conditions. I've never been, oh good, their driveway's not plowed at all. Better hang on, boy. Dude, there's no one's been. I don't want to get in here where I can't freaking turn around. I'm gonna pull it so I can come straight back out. Oh my god. I should have turned traction control off before I did this. GMC's digging. Made it. It's gonna get all geared up, and then we'll start shredding these things. We'll see how the bike does.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law, try to catch me howling at the
This thing's running like, let's go get a couple things and
across the road.
Huh?
All right.
All right guys, well this thing has got something severely wrong with it. I don't know why it's running horrible. I think the jetting's off for the winter maybe, so we're gonna bring it back to the shop, get it fixed up, and then I'll bring you back out for day 2 when we get this thing actually running correctly. All right guys, we made it over to the property across the road here. Got another like 110 acres out here. We got the 370, this greaser, so we're gonna rip this. And to start it off, we got a creek crossing, so. And I have never ridden a snowmobile in my life until a couple days ago.
Hey guys, so Liam didn't plan this very well. There's no way for me to get across.
I don't want it to sink when I go across.
Wanna ride on this?
Get on, Marta. Oh man. So that's fun. Freaking broke the thing, so I can keep it on now. If I ride this nice and easy, it should be okay. Limp it back. All right, I didn't really film too much after the last spot, just because I wanted to get everything back. It started turning to rain, classic. It always like ruins the snow. But, so I didn't really see any reason to film just because it kind of sucked with the rain and everything. Bike's unloaded, sleds are unloaded, or rather just the one that we took and put in there. And that's gonna be pretty much it. I'm gonna power wash down the trailer so the salt doesn't ruin it. But yeah, unfortunately the bike did run like garbage and it's loading up. It's got something wrong with, I don't know, the jetting. Make sure you guys are subscribed and watching for the next video because I am gonna be studying those tires, which will be pretty sick. And doing some more cool stuff with the sled, some camping, some different crap like that. I'm just trying to figure out this whole YouTube thing and decide what I kind of want to do. So drop a comment if you guys have anything you want to see, and then we'll just catch you in the next one pretty much.